Good day everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental Philippines. In this tutorial video, we will write a factorial solver program in C++ as our programming language. Before we continue, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are already here in our dev C++ integrated development environment. This will be our compiler, the C++ compiler that we will using in writing our factorial program. The first thing that I will do is to write the comment. Let's say for example factorial and .cpp. This is the file name, and then the extension is CPP that denotes C++ program. The double slash means the comment symbol in C++. Next, I will write my name as the author of this program. Date. Today is October 7, 2019. Monday at 8:59 p.m. here in the Philippine time. So we will using sharp include declaration of the library file, input output, IO stream. Next, we will declare a function in func int n, passing parameter n. Begin if n equals 0 or logical operator or n equals 1 close parenthesis return 1, else return and multiply by fact the function name n minus 1 close parenthesis end. Now we are calling again here the function because we are using the principles of recursion in computer science. And main, the starting point of our program execution, begin int n equals 0, new line, semicolon to new line, and then we will have the title of our program, \t horizontal type factorial solver in C++, followed by the semicolon. We will copy this again for formatting purposes. Console out \t horizontal tab give a number colon space semicolon cin right shift operator, and we'll have a new line here. So console out \t the factorial value of n is we will be calling the function fact open parenthesis n semicolon, copy, and then we will have here console out \t end of the program semicolon. Okay, so After we are through writing the code, the next step is to save file. Save. We will create our folder here. Right click, new folder. Let's say for example the name of the folder is Factorial Solver. Double click that particular folder and then Factorial, type the file name .cpp. Factorial is the file name of our program and then the extension is .cpp, means C++. Click the save button and then we will go to execute, compile and run, checking for syntax error. Okay, there is an error. What is the error of this one? Expression. I forgot to write open using namespace. Steady. Save. Compile and run. Double close. Okay. Save. Compile and run. Okay, let's say for example let us put 5. The factorial, give a number 5. The factorial value of 5 is 120. So the problem is the factorial of is the spacing here. So we will adjust. Again, we will run our program. Okay, let's say for example 4. The factorial value of 4 is 24. Okay, execute again, run our program. Let's say 6. The factorial value of 6 is 720. So we have already here the program. So factorial solver in C++. So we have here the function that uses the concept of recursion, calling the function name by itself. This is the concept of recursion in computer science and computer programming. And then this is the input of our program, and then this is the display, the calling of the function. If you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more video tutorials. I hope and glad guys that you have learned something in these video tutorials on how to create a program, factorial programs in C++. I have so many things that I've learned in learning C++ programming, one of the best programming languages in the world, and very popular also, very useful in a wide variety of applications such as operating system, system programming, and application development. Until next time guys, with our new upcoming video tutorials, bye bye for now.